Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you are new around here, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank y'all so much for coming back. I do appreciate you guys being here. I just made a post yesterday. I'm filming this on Sunday morning before church. Thank you guys so much for 8,500 subscribers. I am on this road to 10,000 subscribers, hopefully before the end of the year. So thank you guys so much for just your support, for sharing the channel, for always coming back, for telling your family and friends. This investing mom, I really do appreciate it. And so I wanted to come on today. I had a video already prepared, but I'm going to post that probably Monday or Tuesday, probably very more towards Tuesday, but either way, I'll let you know through a community post. And I am holding the phone, so if it's shaking, that's why. But whenever I get like a bunch of messages and DMs that are around the same topic, I will like cut into my normally scheduled content and make a quick video about it. So I'm only going to be on for a few minutes because like I said, it's before church and I'm about to get ready to go. But I wanted to come on and encourage you guys. A lot of the messages I've been getting have been talking about anxiety and stress around investing. And many of you have, pretty safe stocks and funds like VTI, but you're constantly seeing the market crash. You're constantly seeing the market fall and you're feeling really discouraged. I had one person tell me they were ready to quit because of the stress they are having and feeling from the market just constantly falling. And I know one person told me that it seems like every time they put money into the market, it drops. Every time they put like $5 or $20 that they really worked hard to save to invest, the market seems to tank, and so they're losing money. And so I wanted to come on just to encourage you guys and share with you some of the things that I do. Number one, I understand. I'm not even going to pretend like I'm a robot and that when the market is red, it doesn't make me feel some kind of way. Now, I don't stress out about it like I used to. And I'll be honest, when I first started investing, let me tell you, especially when I was trading way back in the day, which is why I'm not a trader, I cried many a nights over the stock market. Like every time I would put money in, especially when I was doing a little bit of the trading, which is why I don't trade, like I said, because I would put money in. I really wasn't sure what I was doing. I wasn't confident in it. And when the market would go down or when I would get stopped out, that's like a trading term, I would lose money. And then when I started to transition to just being an investor, the market will go down and then I was like, oh my goodness, I'm not sure why I'm even doing this. I'd rather just save my money. At least I would have, what I put in. And so I get it. I understand where you're coming from because I want you to like get the idea that your sis has been there. I want you to understand I didn't just get here overnight in this, I'm so solid and firm with my stocks and with our funds that I don't feel anything. Yes, the market being down year to date sucks. It absolutely sucks. But I'm here to tell you that markets have cycles. They go like this. But over the long term, if you zoom out, they're always going up. So I try to put things in place that will help me to stay motivated. Again, I don't want you to quit, especially if you're in VTI. VTI, and this is talking to the one person, but I know many of you are in funds, which, we all say is like the safest, most conservative type of investing security. But VTI, for example, is not immune from the market being red. VTI is actually, here's a fun fact, VTI is actually down more than realty income. Realty income is about 10% down year to date as of the recording of this video, but VTI is actually down about 20% year to date. So you're talking about the safest index fund or ETF on the market being down 20%. Nothing is immune from what we're going through right now. You have to understand the Fed is purposely trying to, I don't want to say crash the market, but I mean, it is what it is, to get inflation under control. We did a lot of money printing in 2020 and in 2021. So now the Federal Reserve is trying to stop people from spending money so that inflation can come down. So I want you guys to look long term. One of the things the tips that I would give you is think long term. If you are getting into this stock market, whether it was 2021 or even this year, and you're expecting 20% return already, I'm here to tell you that's not the case. On average, the stock market returns about 10%, and that's looking at about 50 years worth of data. So right now we're just in a downturn right now. Remember, the market will be back. I can't stress it enough. And also just encourage yourself by saying, look, if I'm down a couple $100, my bestie Shalise, that's me, she's probably down a whole lot more, and she's not over there stressing out. So you will see a little screenshot up on your screen just with our Fidelity account alone. Last week, and probably it was like the last 3 days of last week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, when the market just really tanked. Our Fidelity account alone is down almost $10,000, okay? $10,000, one account. And I'm over here thinking, I wish I had some more money. I wish I had some more money to put in the market, because I know now, after investing for several years, that the market goes up and the market goes down. And right now, when everything is red, this is literally the best time. You will hear news article releases about Warren Buffett buying, 10,000 shares in this, 10,000 shares in that. But guess what? He only buys when the market is red. A billionaire only buys when the market is red. The best investor, period, which is Mr. Buffett, only buys companies and funds when the market is red. He do not buy when the market is green. So I try to change my mindset. And one book that I really do like is The Psychology of Money. It is a very good read. You can buy it on Amazon. It's super inexpensive. I have a link for it down below if you want to get that book, but it's also available on YouTube as a free audio. So while you're sitting in your car, driving through traffic, or you're at the school line, you clean up around the house, play the book, play the audio book, because what it does is it helps you change this. See, money is very emotional, not even just like the stock market. Money, period, is a very emotional tool. And when it comes to investing, it's like amplified 100%. But I'm here to tell you that that book helps train your thinking into, okay, if I am investing for the long term, red is good. Because if you are a business owner, if you're trying to build your wealth, you don't want to buy anything, any asset, any security at the top, at the highest price. You want to get it at a discount. You want to get it on sale. So think of the stock market like that. You want to get your good companies and funds on sale. If you're in VTI, let me just tell you, a lot of the holdings in VTI are companies that you probably have in your house. I'm talking about General Mills. I'm talking about Pepsi and Coke. I'm talking about some of the places you go, like Walmart. That's in VTI. These companies aren't going anywhere. Lowe's isn't going anywhere. Apple isn't going anywhere. Google, Amazon, these are all companies inside of VTI. So if you know these companies are going to be around 5+ years from now, you have nothing to worry about. Again, not financial advice, but I'm coming on here so that you guys can understand that it's going to get better, okay? And one of the things that I really do love that helps me to stay motivated is tracking my progress. I am a visual person, okay? It's just how I learn. I like seeing things, which is why I show the accounts here, because I'm a visual learner. I need to see what others are doing so that I can almost act out the same way. And so I have spreadsheets, I have planners, I have a zillion post-it notes everywhere. I have my investing workbook, see right here, that I'm about to do like a reel on or something, because I want to add my $1 a day to my investing challenge. And for the month of December, it is Walmart, okay, for those of you who are participating. And this book is on Amazon if you want to get it. Link is down below, and the digital is on my website. But again, I'm a visual person. Being able to go back and see, track our progress, and over time, I realized we are doing pretty good. That's another reason why I love dividend investing so much. And I have a video coming out. My next video is talking all about SCHD and why I believe it is the best ETF, my favorite. Now, VTI is like an unspoken GOAT, but SCHD is my favorite ETF. And I'm going to be talking to you about why we love it and our goals for that and our current position and market value. So stay tuned for that video. But I want you to think long term, okay? And also take a break, close the apps. Yes, close the apps, close the laptop, and just take a breather. Sometimes it's good to step away. We're about to head into the holiday season. Step back, close it, and just reflect on the here and now, okay? Again, the market will be back. It's just we're having some struggles right now. And I'm telling you, just look at my accounts. Look at all of the playlists I have showing the accounts. There have been times when our money was down $20,000 in 1 month, okay? But the market always comes back. So I wanted just to get on here and encourage you guys that it's going to be okay. This too will pass. I'm telling you this. You don't want to get flustered out of investing if you really want to do it, because the market is red right now, okay? It will come back, and when it come back, let me tell you, you will be on this channel like, Shalise, you were right. The market came back. I got into Google for under $100. I got into Amazon for under $100 when I know I spent more on Amazon getting Christmas presents. That is how we level up in the right direction, okay? So if you have any more comments, if you're feeling a little stressed out, send me an email and we can just go from there. But I wanted just to encourage you, it's going to get better. And if you believe in what you have, if you believe in Apple, if you believe in Amazon, if you believe in VTI, if you believe in SCHD or Realty Income, right now is the best time to buy. So I wanted just to come on and say that. I hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday, and I will see you in my next video. I did get some cards, some Christmas cards. My P.O. box is down below if you want to send me a card. I will send you a card back. I'm going to like do all of my cards, probably like make a short video and release it on Christmas Day, showing all the cards and thanking all of you. And I will send you a card back and make it to you after Christmas because shipping is really delayed all around the country. But I will send you a card back. But yes, thank you guys so much and have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.